whatever. I can't. 6.
Oh!
Come inside and play with me today. It's Michael's Magical Playhouse.
Hi guys, welcome to, oh, come up. Hi guys, welcome to Michael's Magical Playhouse. Today I'm doing an amazing challenge with my brother Owen.
Can I see it?
Because it's a really big surprise. Owen, do you want to see what the surprise is?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Dun dun dun!
Yes! I'm going to win it.
I hope I win, because I'm so good. I win every challenge.
Oh yeah, I'm going to win the birthday cake. I love birthday cake.
But guess what? I've had 9 birthday cakes in my life for my birthdays, and you've had 5, so technically I like them more.
This is about to be my 6th birthday cake.
Well, we'll see. Before we start the challenge, I'm going to cover the birthday cake so nobody sneaks any. Owen?
I love birthday cake. I have a teeny birthday cake.
Let's put that right there. Owen, are you ready to see the challenge?
Yeah.
Get ready. It's called
so cool.
the Cake and Bake Challenge.
Yeah,
This is
that
going to be
sounds
really
good.
Ooh, this looks like fun. Ooh, look at this hat. Let's swear it.
Really super awesome.
Thanks. I bet it would look good on you too. How about you try it on?
I will.
Ew.
I'm a baker.
It looks really good on you.
I'm
Now,
gonna bake a cake.
let's get all of the rest of it out. So, these are the red pieces for a cake, I think. Ooh, this is gonna be
This is gonna be the best. I'm selling cakes.
Dude, that's cool. All of the cakes have different patterns. Like this one has the stripes, the squiggly stripes, and that has dots. And this has like triangles. And then the orange one has like lines, like I don't know what to call them, like lines, I guess. Yeah, and then the purple one has like, I forgot the name of the shape. It's like a hexagon or something.
Yeah,
whatever it's called. I forgot. Anyways, yeah. Ooh.
I got a blue.
Seems like there's a rainbow because there's red, orange, yellow, light blue, like greenish blue, and blue.
Okay, I got
and
another
purple.
blue.
This is gonna be really fun. It's like a rainbow.
That is a rainbow.
Now, you get to put the special piece on the cake. Da-da-da-da! Here's the rest of the game materials. There's action cards.
And then
there's
I
that.
found this candle.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a candle card.
I got 3 out.
Let's get started. I'm gonna need a slice of cake, and you're gonna need a slice of cake.
Ooh, strawberries.
There's strawberries and gummy bears and sprinkles and M&Ms.
And then the strawberries.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm probably gonna have
Oh,
some
it's
gummy
up.
bears with some sprinkles. On second thought, I think that I only need 1 of each. And you should do that too.
Okay.
That's better.
Good.
Oh no, your toppings, they're spilling. Oh no, and your cake spilled. Don't worry, Michael to the rescue is gonna fix your cake. Yeah, it's fixed.
Good. Thank you.
To do this challenge, you're each going to need a blue action card, so go ahead and put one in front of you, but don't flip it over yet, and don't peek. When I say go, you're going to flip over the card, and you're gonna build the cake that you see on the card.
And if you build the cake correctly, you get a candle. And if you build it incorrectly, you lose a candle.
That's right. First one to have their cake built correctly is gonna hit the bell, and then we're gonna check it, and if it's right, they get a candle. You guys ready to start?
Yeah.
On the count of 3, we're gonna turn over our cards. 1, 2, 3. See what you got. Okay, Owen, you've got red on the bottom. Quick, put red on the bottom. Michael's got blue on the bottom.
I always add red.
Quick, you've got red. Then put purple on top of Owen. Quick.
We have blue.
Oh, you got to put blue on top of purple, Owen. Oh, and Michael's already done. Owen's still working on it.
Blue, red, purple, green, orange, yellow sprinkles. Blue, red, purple, green, orange, yellow sprinkles.
Looks like Michael did it correctly. Michael gets a candle.
That's one candle for me. I'll put my candles right here.
And then
Good job. Oh, and your cake's almost perfect. Except you need to turn this one layer. There. Now it's perfect.
Michael's got 1 candle and Owen has 0. For the next round though, Michael, you're gonna draw 2 cards and Owen's gonna draw 1. So you have to build 2 cake slices before Owen builds 1. You guys ready?
That's tricky.
Go ahead and draw your cards.
1 card.
2 cards.
Okay, you guys ready?
Okay. We're probably gonna build
On your
this
mark,
one first.
get set, go. Okay, Owen, what do you have?
It's
Quick,
the same.
purple on the bottom.
Oh yeah, purple on the bottom. Purple.
And then yellow. Quick, Owen.
Now which one? Green?
Green. Michael's on his second cake. What's after green, Owen?
Red.
Okay,
And blue.
blue. And then what's after blue?
That's what equals.
Purple. Oh, you beat me by 1
Wow,
layer.
I'm so good.
Good job, Owen.
Thank you. I
You
won.
deserve a candle.
Good. I'm super proud of myself.
Good job.
Thank you.
Owen, how about the first person to get 5 candles wins because you're 5 years old? Okay, let's draw cards.
For this challenge, Michael, you're only going to need 1 card, so put 1 back.
Oh.
But there's going to be a twist. You can't start building your cake until Owen has 3 layers done.
Ooh, that's gonna be tricky.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go. Okay, so you've got to wait to build your cake, Michael. Let's see what Owen's got.
Red, orange, yellow.
Wait.
Green,
Yeah.
orange,
Okay,
yellow.
purple.
Red, orange,
And then
Okay, he just got his 3rd layer. Okay, Michael can start.
red, orange, yellow, blue, purple.
Okay, what's after red? Green, blue, and then what's on top, Owen?
Oh!
Oh, so close. Owen was just reaching for the sprinkles.
Wow.
You beat Owen by like 1 second. He had that.
Literally, barely beat him. I've got 2 candles and you've got 1. Time for the next round.
how about you draw 3 cards and I draw 1?
Ooh, that seems pretty hard, but I'll give it a try.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, you guys are going to start at the exact same time. Are you ready?
This is tricky.
Set, go. Turn it over, Owen. What do you got?
Purple on the top. And then orange is first. Orange. And then blue.
Okay, Michael's done with the first cake. Hurry, Owen.
Green.
Hurry, he's working. Oh, Michael dropped a few layers on the floor. Oh!
By a whole entire
Yep.
Not the same.
Wow.
Yep.
It's not the same.
Owen, you won. Because because Michael only built 2 cakes and he had to build 3.
Yeah.
You won by a whole entire cake. And you get a candle.
Yes.
Now it's tied 2-2. This is gonna be a really fun round. How about for this round, I'm gonna count to 9 seconds for you to have a big head start before I start building my cake. Okay, let's draw our cards. That's yours. This is mine.
I hope mine's very cool.
On your mark, get set, go!
Okay. Okay, blue. And yellow's on the bottom. And then purple.
Okay, it's been 9 seconds.
Blue. Red. And green.
Hurry, Owen.
Green.
Oh, you
Yeah.
beat me! Whoa, you get a candle. Good job.
Two.
You won.
You get 1 candle, so you're up 3-2.
Yeah.
Oh, you took 2 on accident. You're very silly.
3.
You have 3 candles and I have 2.
Go, I'm winning. Go. I'm gonna get that.
Yes, you are.
Hey, Gadget.
Well, let's see about that.
Yeah, I know I am. I think I am kind of winning.
Yeah, you're winning by 1 candle. You have 3 and I have 2.
For this round, Owen gets a 2-layer head start. Go ahead and draw your cards. With a 3-layer, it was really close, so I think this could be close too. Your mark, get set, go. Okay, what do you have, Owen?
Okay.
Okay, he's got his second layer.
Blue. And yellow. And then on the top I do.
I got it, yes. Now it's 3 candles to 3. We're all tied up.
Yeah,
Let's check Owen's cake.
it's good.
Are you sure you built it correctly? Are you sure you're done?
Well,
Double check your
it says
card.
Orange, purple, blue, yellow, red, yellow, green, yellow, red, green.
Ah, Owen, you built it incorrectly.
Well, seems like he loses a candle. That's too bad. Well, hopefully he could win the next round.
For the next round, we're gonna do the 2 cakes for Michael and 1 cake for Owen again.
Okay, I'll draw my cards.
About Michael.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Oh, orange is all the way on the bottom.
Okay,
And then I put blue on the bottom. And then
ooh, Michael's done with his first cake.
red, red.
Green, red, orange, yellow. Oh, you beat me by 3 layers. Good job, Owen.
Let's check to see if you did it right. Looks pretty good to me.
Good, I won.
Good job.
Michael's gonna be only that birthday cake though.
Whatever you say.
For the next round, Michael, you're gonna have to run around the table 4 times before you start building your cake. And Owen gets to start building immediately. You guys ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Draw your cards.
I hope I win.
1 cake for me, right?
Mm-hmm.
One cake for me.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Okay, orange on the bottom, orange. And now blue, blue, blue. And now green, green. Now purple. And then now yellow.
Okay, I can start.
And then
Oh, he won by like 5 layers. Good job.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. There we go. I got 4 candles.
And I got 3.
For the next round, Michael has to do 10 jumping jacks right next to the table before he can build his cake. You guys ready?
Yeah. Okay, draw cards.
So I could do my cake.
On your mark, get set, go. Owen, you build your cake.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay.
And then purple. And then yellow.
Yes, I won! Okay, let's double check.
Wait,
Yellow,
I
purple,
didn't do
orange. Yellow, purple, orange. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Sprinkles. Now, I get my candle. Guess what, Owen? We both have 4 candles, and this is the very last round. Whoever wins gets the whole birthday cake. Ooh.
Good, I'm gonna win because I'm very good at games.
Okay.
Here's how the round's gonna work. Each one you grab 1 card, keep it face down.
You grabbed 2.
Oops, Owen's got 2 cards. Put it face down on the table.
Okay.
Michael, you're gonna have to say, I have the best little brother ever 7 times before you start building your cake. So you're gonna have to talk really fast. You guys ready to start?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go.
I have the best little brother ever. 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 Okay.
Okay, so Owen's at 3 layers and Michael's looking. Oh, this is gonna be close. 4 layers, 5 layers. I hope he's doing it right. Oh!
That was so close.
So close. His frosting was falling off.
Make sure you did it. Okay.
Let's make sure he did it right.
Red, purple, orange, blue, green, yellow.
Looks good.
Won.
That was so close.
He put the sprinkles on the top.
And what did it show?
It's all sprinkles.
Uh-oh, it didn't show sprinkles.
Wait, this? Oh, I'm so silly. That means maybe I want to do it again.
I get the candle.
Yay!
Yes! I get the birthday cake! Don't worry, Owen. I'll share it with you.
Thank you. You're the best brother.
You're welcome. Here's the birthday cake I won. It looks really good.
Yeah.
I can't wait to eat it. My sister made it. She's a really good cook.
Ooh, look at that. Yummy.
Oh, perfect piece. Ooh, that piece looks a little bigger, so I'll probably give it to my brother Owen because he's really nice.
Aw, that piece looks yummy.
Here you go, Owen.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You dropped it?
Yeah.
But it's really good.
I love it.
Oh, and I'm gonna get you a new piece because you shouldn't eat it. It was on the floor.
Thank you.
There you go. Let's go to the table. And don't drop it this time.
It really well. Maybe I could use my whole camera now.
This is really good.
Yeah.
I hope you liked watching my video today. Thanks for watching. Bye.